The Perlegear TV wall mount PGLF16 is engineered for versatility, accommodating televisions from 42 to 90 inches across a variety of surfaces, including wood studs, concrete, and brick. Built with upgraded high-strength steel, this mount offers exceptional stability, supporting ultra-large televisions weighing up to 150 pounds. Installation is a breeze with the included drilling template and extensive hardware pack, allowing you to mount your television in under 30 minutes with clearly labeled parts. This mount provides maximum flexibility with a swivel range of plus or minus 65 degrees, allowing you to direct your screen for the optimal viewing experience. The ability to extend your television 22 inches from the wall or retract it to just under 3 inches helps save space without compromising on viewing angles. Perlegear offers reliable US-based customer support to ensure your experience with the TV wall mount is smooth and hassle-free.